Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So students, myself your computer and GK teachers from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So students, from few days we are doing the revision on GK topics. So we have already done some topics revisions. Today we are going to the revision on topic 15 sobriquets. On topic 15 sobriquets and topic 17 parliaments. Okay. So let's start topic 15 sobriquets. Many of my friends have nicknames. Okay. Names they are given lovingly by their friends or relatives. In the same way, citizens also give a nickname to their beloved countries. जिस तरह से बहुत सारे हमारे फ्रेंड्स होते हैं जिनके निकनेम्स होते हैं और वो निकनेम्स जो होते हैं बहुत प्यार से उनके फ्रेंड्स या फिर उनके रिलेटिव्स उनका रखते हैं, उसी तरह से कुछ ऐसे सेम वे में कुछ ऐसे सिटीजन्स भी हैं जो कि हमारे जो कंट्रीज़ को वो लव करते हैं उनका वो निकनेम रखा है. तो इसी तरह से वी हैविंग सम कंट्री दो हैविंग देयर निकनेम्स. हमारे वर्ल्ड में कुछ ऐसी कंट्रियाँ हैं जिनके निकनेम्स हैं. सो वी हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट दैट इन दिस टॉपिक. हम इस टॉपिक में उनके बारे में पढ़ेंगे और उस निकनेम्स को पढ़कर और हमें बताना है. वी हैव टू नो टेल दैट द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री. We have to tell the name of the countries. Means निकनेम्स को हम रीड करेंगे और निकनेम से हमें गैस करना है कि ये निकनेम किस कंट्री का है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सी हियर, लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज द निकनेम सिक मैन ऑफ यूरोप. फर्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? सिक मैन ऑफ यूरोप. सो सिक मैन ऑफ यूरोप, you know it is the name of which country? Yes, sick man of Europe is the name of it is the nickname of the country Turkey. Spelling Turkey. Turkey. I repeat again, sick man of Europe is the nickname of the country Turkey. 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 Turkey is a country whose nickname is Sick Man of Europe. Whose nickname is Sick Man of Europe. After that, come to the next, that is second one, Playground of Europe. Playground of Europe. Can you know the name of the country having the nickname Playground of Europe? Yes, it is Switzerland. It is what? Switzerland. The spelling of Switzerland is here SWITZERLAND. Switzerland. Okay. So Switzerland is a country who having the nickname Playground of Europe. Playground of Europe. After that, come to the next, that is third one, Land of Kangaroos. Land of Kangaroos. So the nickname of this is the nickname of the country Australia. Okay, Land of Kangaroo is the nickname of a country Australia. Spelling is AUSTRALIA. So Australia is the country having the nickname Land of Kangaroos. Land of Kangaroos. After that, come to the next, fourth one, that is Holy Land. Holy Land is the nickname of a country Palestine. Spelling is PALES. Okay, PALESTINE. Palestine. So Palestine is the country having the nickname Holy Land. Which country having the nickname Holy Land? Yes, Palestine. Palestine is a country having the nickname Holy Land. After that, come to the next, that is fifth one, Land of Golden Pagodas. Land of golden pagodas. So this is the nickname of a country, Myanmar. Spelling is Myanmar. So Myanmar. So Myanmar is a country having the nickname Land of Golden Pagodas. Myanmar is a country having a nickname Land of the Golden Pagodas. Okay. After that come to the next, that is sixth one. Key to Mediterranean. Key to Mediterranean. So key to Mediterranean is the nickname of a country. Is the nickname of a country, Gibraltar. Is the nickname of a country, Gibraltar. Spelling is Gibraltar. So Gibraltar is the country having the nickname Key to the Mediterranean. Key to the Mediterranean. Okay. So key to the Mediterranean is the nickname of the country Gibraltar. 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 After that come to the next, that is question number 7. Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. So land of the rising sun is the nickname of a country, Japan. Is the nickname of a country, Japan. Spelling is Japan. Japan. So Japan is a country having the nickname Land of the rising sun. Land of the rising sun. After that, then next come to next, that is Land of morning calm. Land of morning calm. So this is the land of morning calm is the name of a country, Korea. Korea. Korea is the country having the nickname Land of morning calm. Land of morning calm. Now come to the next, that is Land of the flying fish. That is what? Land of the flying fish. So land of the flying fish is the nickname of a country. Is the nickname of a country, Barbados. Is the nickname of a country, Barbados. Spelling is Barbados. Barbados. So Barbados. Barbados is a country having the nickname Land of flying fish. Having the nickname Land of the flying fish. Now come to the next, that is 10th one. Land of lilies. Land of lilies. So land of lilies is having a country. This nickname is, the name of country is Canada. Spelling is Canada. Canada. Okay. Canada. Canada is a country having the nickname Land of lilies. Having a nickname Land of lilies. Now next, that is 11th one. Island of Pearls. Island of Pearls. So Island of Pearls is the nickname of a country, Bahrain. The nickname of a country, Bahrain. Spelling is Bahrain. Bahrain. Bahrain is a country having the nickname Island of Pearls. Bahrain is a country having the nickname Island of Pearls. After that come to the next, that is rich coast. That is what? Rich coast. So rich coast is a country. Rich coast is a nickname of a country. The name of the country is Costa Rica. The name of a country is Costa Rica. Spelling is Costa, Costa, and Rica, Rica. So Costa Rica is a country having the nickname Rich Coast. Having the nickname Rich Coast. Now come to the next, that is 13. Land of the Midnight Sun. Land of the Midnight Sun. This nickname having the country Norway. 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 I repeat again. The land of the midnight sun is the nickname of the country Norway. Norway. So Norway is a country having the nickname Land of the Midnight Sun. Land of the Midnight Sun. So students, now come to the next, that is question number 14. Land of Cakes. Land of Cakes. So students, we have the nickname Land of Cakes. The name of the country is Scotland. Spelling is Scotland. Scotland. Okay, Scotland. So Scotland is a country having the nickname Land of Cakes. Having a nickname Land of Cakes. Now come to the next, that is last one. Land of Thousand Lakes. Land of Thousand Lakes. So this is the nickname of a country Finland. Spelling is Finland. Finland. So Finland is the name of the country having the nicknames Land of Thousand Lakes. Having the nickname Land of Thousand Lakes. So by this we have completed the revisional explanation of topic 15. So big kids, now come to the next, that is topic 17. That is topic 17, Parliament. So every country has a special name for its parliament. हर कंट्री के जो पार्लियामेंट्स होते हैं उनका अपना एक स्पेशल नेम्स है. द पार्लियामेंट इज अ प्लेस वेयर पीपल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स सिट टुगेदर टू मेक लॉज. पार्लियामेंट एक ऐसी प्लेस है, ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे जितने भी रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पीपल्स होते हैं वो एक साथ में वहाँ पर बैठते हैं और लॉज बनाते हैं, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनाते हैं. सो गिवन बिलो आर द नेम ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्स ऑफ सम कंट्रीज. सो आंसरेबल लेटर्स एंड फाइंड द नेम ऑफ द कंट्री. नीचे जो टेबल्स दिए गए हैं उसमें क्या है, उसमें कुछ कंट्रीज़ के पार्लियामेंट्स के नेम दिए गए हैं और कंट्री का जगह पे वहाँ पे कंट्री के जो नेम्स है उसको अनस्क्रेबल वर्ड्स में दिया गया है. वी हैव टू अरेंज एंड करेक्ट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द country, okay, name of the country. So let's start. See here, the first one is Federal Parliament. The first one is Federal Parliament. Okay, so Federal Parliament is the name of a country. Is the name of a country. Can you guess the name of a country? Yes, it is Australia. It is Australia. Federal Parliament is the name of a country, that is Australia. Spelling is AUSTRALIA. Australia. Okay, Australia is the country having the parliament, that is Federal Parliament. After that comes the next, that is second one, Jatiyo Sangsad. Jatiyo Sangsad is the name of the parliament of the country that is what? Bangladesh. That is what? Bangladesh. So spelling is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country having the Jatiyo Sangsad Parliament, the name of house. Okay. Now come to the next, that is third one. Songdo. Okay. Songdo is the name of the house of parliament of country Bhutan. Spelling is Bhutan. Bhutan. See here, Bhutan. Bhutan is a country having the Songdo house parliament. Now come to the next, that is Forketing. That is what? Forketing. Forketing is the name of the house of parliament house of country Denmark. Spelling is Denmark. Denmark is a country having Folketing parliament, name of the parliament house Folketing. Okay, after that come to the next, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. So Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is the name of a parliament house of the country that is India. Spelling is India. India is a country having the parliament house named as Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. After that come to the next, that is sixth one, Majlis. Majlis is a name of the parliament house of country Iran. Spelling is Iran. Spelling is Iran. Iran is a country having the Majlis named parliament house. After that come to the next, that is Knesset is the name of a parliament house of country Israel. Spelling is I repeat again, Israel. Israel. Okay, Israel. Israel is a country having a Knesset parliament house. After that come to the next, that is Diet. That is what? Diet. Diet is also the name of a parliament house of country Nepal, of country Japan. In Japan, the name of the parliament house is Diet. Spelling is Japan. Japan. Now come to the next, that is ninth one, National Panchayat. National Panchayat is the name of the house of country Nepal. Spelling is Nepal. Nepal. Nepal is a country having National Panchayat, the name of parliament house. Now come to the next, that is Cortes. That is what? Cortes. See here, Cortes is the name of the parliament house of country Spain. Spelling is Spain. Spain is a country having the Cortes named as a name of house of a parliament. meant. After that come to the next, that is Riksdag. Riksdag is the name of the House of Parliament of country Sweden. Spelling is SWEDEN. 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 Sweden is a country having Riksdag, named of House of Parliament. Now come to the last one, that is 12th one, Grand National Assembly. Grand National Assembly is the name of the House of Parliament of country Turkey. Spelling is TURKEY. Turkey. Turkey is a country having the Parliament House named as Grand National Assembly. So students, by this we have completed the revisional explanation of topic 15 and 17. So please all of you go through on it. Okay, go through on it, and please be active with your studies. Don't waste your time in playing games and all. When you have, because in few days your school will get reopened, so please complete your books and copies. Write these 2 topics in your fair copy. Whenever school will reopen, I will check the copy, learn by heart. Okay, I will send you the PDF. With the help of that PDF, please complete your books and copies.